Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Subeksha Singh and I hope all of you guys are doing great today. So guys, I'm back with a haul video and this time it's a very affordable clothing brand haul, and I'm going to show you guys 3 tops that I got for only 1200 rupees with inclusive of the taxes from a brand called SSS, which is Street Style Store. And this is a brand that a lot of people have been shopping from, and I bought a footwear from this brand exactly 6 years back, and that time this brand was very emerging and they did not have such a huge market base. And I was so shocked to see the kind of clothing that these people have, and I saw a lot of bloggers wear one of the tops that I have purchased. So I have got 3 tops for only 1200 rupees. So if you guys are interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. On me, so it is a try on haul. So starting off with the first top that I have right here is this beautiful sweetheart neck top, and this is how it looks. It has a very cinching waist and it has a smock detailing, which is really good because it's completely elasticated. But this is how it actually looks. Some of you might be thinking as to how this would fit you, but the elastic is of a really good quality, and I have got the size medium in all of the 3 tops that I bought. And this is how this top looks. It's a very beautiful floral color and it is stunning. I think the quality of the cloth is like very sheer, I feel, but it is not see-through. Like, even if you do not wear any spaghettis or anything inside, you can just wear this with your bralette and it's going to look very nice. I've actually tried these on when it came, and this has a very sheer clothing material, but that's fine. We're not paying too much that you would get like superior quality products. And it has this beautiful cinching design on the wrist area as well, which looks so beautiful. I really like this top a lot and I was really intrigued about getting my hands on it. It doesn't even go off from my shoulder areas. Like, the elastic is of a really nice material considering the price I've paid, and it is a really nice design altogether, which is why I was so attracted to it. It's this beautiful sage green top. It's again in the size medium, and it again has a square neckline, which is what I absolutely love on my body type. And it has again these puffy sleeves which are with a nice elasticated effect on the elbow area, which looks very beautiful. So it actually gives you like a very hourglass figure, and also it is smocked, so it's gonna sit on your body really well. So if you're somebody who has a really nice physique, because I am somebody who loves ribbed and smocked material tops because they just fit you in the right places and they really make you look very curvy and beautiful. So I have got my hands on this sage green top from SSS, and the quality is again polyester. It's not all sheer, and it's very good. Like, for the price I've paid, I feel like I'm in love with all the 3 tops, and the first one is my favorite one, and this one also I have already worn in my last video that I made for the Nykaa haul, and a lot of you guys were DMing me to know where it is from, but I really wanted to make this video and put it across, which is why I did not tell you guys. This beautiful white floral top with this amazing sweetheart neckline again. It is very, very beautiful. I have seen so many girls wear this top, like people who actually have a SSS haul posted online on YouTube. I saw like there were around 200 or so videos, and out of those 200, 150 videos I saw that everybody had bought this top, which is why I was so sure about buying which top to go for 1200. And this again has a nice puffy sleeve with a nice elasticated area right around your wrist, and it's gonna look very nice. Once you see this on me, you guys will get the idea about it. And also it again has a smocked back, which is really good to fit on your body really well. And this again has a polyester material. It's not at all sheer. Like, you can wear it with a nice white bralette or anything, and there is no need to wear a spaghetti inside. I've already tried it, so I know, because such necklines really flaunt you in such beautiful ways. And I've seen like big bust girls also wear these tops and they were looking fabulous. Like, one of them I follow on Instagram, Prableen Kaur, so she was also wearing these 2 tops and she was looking so amazing in these. Guys, I would say that these tops are very versatile and these are very good quality for the price you're paying. Like 1200 rupees for 3 tops is a very nice affordable clothing option that you guys can have from SSS. So guys, now talking about the delivery time. So it took me around 20 days for these products to reach me because I live in Delhi. But for people who do not stay in New Delhi or live somewhere like in a different city altogether, the delivery time might extend to a month. Like I've seen a lot of people receive their products after a month's time, but shockingly it reached me only in 20 days. I bought it the first week of July, I believe, and I received it after 20 days exact. And it was to my shock that these were of such good quality and fit. And the sizing chart is very accurate. Like I just measured my bust and my waist area and the tops fit beautifully, so you don't have to size up or down for anything. And the payment process for me was that I did not go for COD, but you guys should opt for COD. But the only issue that I had was that they were charging some extra money for COD. So I was like that I was sure that they would ship it, of course, and I'd seen so many hauls, so I was assured about my money not getting lost. So I paid them online through Paytm, and they delivered it after 20 days. So you have to be sure that you need to wait for a really long time to get your products in your hand. And also for the return policy, they do not have a return policy as of now, but they do exchange your products if you have got a size that is not fitting you or that is very ill fitted. So you can exchange it for a size, probably for once, because otherwise they would not exchange it for you also. My experience was really good and I really like the tops a lot. Like for somebody who is a blogger or a content creator, like somebody who does not have too much of pocket money to spend on clothes on like H&M and Zara, like this was a really nice experience for me, and I would surely buy some more clothes from them. And I absolutely love the fit of all of these tops, as you guys just saw, and they look very flattering. So guys, with that we come to an end to this video, and I hope you guys like this haul video and my short review on SSS haul. And if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you are notified for every time I'm posting a video on my YouTube channel. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.